Hi friends, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to install Millennial down Heart of Iron 4. This is the most valid tutorial that you can ever get from YouTube. If you are watching this in 2026, I know you are having issues with trying to update or trying to install it using the updated version, and it's giving you issues even if you have the updated version mode of Hearts of Iron, but it's giving you issue. So this is the most valid tutorial you're going to get. This is going to stand the test of time. Either even if it's 2050 you see this video, or 2000 you see this video, it's going to stand the test of time. So this tutorial is plain and simple, and you're going to get your solutions as soon as possible. So let's get started. So the first step to do now is to install a specific version. Listen very carefully and pay attention very carefully. Everything is going to be simple. I have the links to the Hearts of the Millennial down something, but listen very carefully. You must go and look for the version of Hearts of Iron 4, starting from 1.140 to 1.148. Within that range, you must get the exact version of the Hearts of Iron. It doesn't have to be 1.148 as you are seeing on my system. It has to be 1.140, 1.145, any of them, but make sure it's within this range. That's my first this thing. Just go, and I don't know how you are going to get this application, how you are going to get it, but make sure you get this exact version 1.148. So let's move on to the second step. So the next step now, after getting this version, go to open the file location for Hearts of Iron. I don't know how you do it. If you have a if you are connected to, if it's showing as exe folder, click on open location file, open Hearts of Iron folder, go to your browser, click on browser, and let's open it first. So it's opening, the browser is opening. So let's wait for it to open. So now it's open. So the next thing we can do now, we have to do right away now, is to have to go to mod library here. I don't mind, this thing is just, the game is already there, but go to browse more mods, click on it, click on browse more mods. So we are opening the Paradox page, and we can now log in. Let me try and log in my details. Let me log in. So okay, okay, so we are in. So we are in the mods aspect. We are in the mods. So the next step now, I'll just have to, let me show you the next step you have to do right away. So the next step now is to open my link. The link is at the description below. So when you open the link, this is the exact version that works for the game. So when you come over here, you click on subscribe to playset. I can't click on remove because I've already subscribed to playset. So when you do so, I want you to come over here. There's an important thing you need to pay attention to. When you come over here, when you are installing the game, is just make sure that you are not seeing any caution sign, either red or yellow. Once you are not seeing any caution sign, it means that the game is going to install. So the game, you just have to wait for it to install, it completely install. So after it finish installing, so let's go to the next step right away. The next step is to come to playset here. Come to playset, click on add new playset. I know how you do it. You click on add new playset. When you add your, let me do it, let me practically do it right away. I'll just give it in an abbreviation, which is MD, then create. Then when I've created a playset now right away, so I need to add that mod I installed, which is this, the mod Millennial down. And when I add it right over here, then the next thing to do right away is to come over here and just click on the playsets that I've added the mod to. Then once I've done so, then click play. Let's click on play and let's wait for it to load. We need to wait for it. Should exercise some little patience. So here is the game now. It's loading. Let us be patient. It's just my system. We need to wait a little bit. Now you can see the game now. It's loading. Let's wait for it to load. Now here is it. You have your Millennial down. Once you just follow these steps I give, it's going to work and you are not going to have issues with it. This is the 2026 updated version, but the 2026 way of installing it, but it's still the previous Millennial down, not the newest kind of. But at least since you want to enjoy Millennial down, it will be better for you to just install this version and enjoy it. So let's wait for it to load. So here we have the game now. We can play or choose whatever I want to choose different scenarios, but this is the older version of Millennial down. You can play as any leader you want. You want to choose nationalistic approach, whatever. Choose any country you want to choose from 2000 to the future. So to recap the tutorial, first of all, get the exact version 1.14.0 within that range to 1.148. Secondly, just go to your browser and log in your Paradox. Then thirdly, install Millennial down from my link that I gave you. Then fourthly, create playlist and connect the mod, then run it. That's simple. So yeah, that's all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.